Hello you guys and good morning. I'm so excited to vlog today because this whole weekend I have the house to myself, which is just so amazing. So today is Friday. My mom and my stepdad went to Texas to visit his kids, and then my uncle, he's still here right now, but he will be leaving shortly because he's gonna be with his friends all weekend and he's working in the city and stuff. So he's just staying there all weekend. So it's just me and Maisie. But yeah, I'm gonna start getting ready for the day. I'm gonna brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed. I actually we're going to a wrestling duel tonight, and so I know what I'm gonna wear for that, but I don't want to be wearing boots and jeans all day. So I need to figure out in-between outfit. I'm sitting down to do my makeup now, but I was feeling my hair, and yesterday I did a hair mask and I let that sit in for like most of the day, which means I did a slick back, which I hate slick backs on me because I look like shit. Like there's no way for me to look good with my hair back, like really no way. So if you saw me yesterday, I apologize, but my hair's feeling a lot better. It was super dry. So this is your sign. If your hair's dry, do a hair mask. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on my makeup. I don't actually need to like rush or anything because I don't actually have to be anywhere till I pick up Harper, but I want to get the ball rolling on my day because I have some things I want to do before I pick her up. So let's get to it. Makeup is done, and now I'm gonna do my favorite part about having the house to myself for any duration of time is I just become an absolute clean freak. And it's great. I love it. It's just so fun. I love living in like a little clean house. And so when everybody's gone, I get to do that. So I kind of got a head start last night. I cleared off a lot of things. And so I have mostly clear counters, and I ran the dishwasher last night. So I'm gonna finish up the kitchen. I'm gonna clean the sink and like empty the dishwasher and everything. And then I'm gonna start some laundry as well. Like an hour or so of cleaning, and I feel great, to be honest. So let me show you everything I did. Starting in the kitchen, the counters are wiped. I refilled the vases. We got a candle going. The sink is cleaned. There were just a couple dishes that I had to put in there, and then I filled up the water reservoir, and then I cleared off literally everything I possibly could. I also changed my cup, so I'm gonna wash my other cup. This one my stepmom got me, and we have matching ones, and so does Harper. I vacuumed all of the floors except for like the bedrooms, but I vacuumed all these, and then I took the blankets into the laundry room so I could do those. I also wiped down the bar stool like bottoms because they were like dusty, and then I vacuumed under there. I have a load of towels going, and then I have another load of towels that I need to do, and then just close after that. But I think I'm gonna stop there for now. I'll probably end up cleaning my room at some point this weekend, but for now, that's all we're gonna do. Now, obviously, I'm about to straighten my hair and just like finish getting ready before I have to go pick up Harper. I really need to charge my camera now because I just used so much battery filming all the cleaning clips. All right, I am actually like running out the door because I realized I wanna go to Starbucks before I pick up Harper. Oh my God. The candle. I always forget to blow out candles. Witness. I did it. But yeah, I want to go to Starbucks before I pick up Harper. So I don't have very much time, so I need to leave. But sadly, that means I'm leaving my queen. All right, y'all, I made it and I have a good spot. I'm 4th in line. Let's go. I got the goods. I'm obsessed with the egg white bites. And then I got a venti. I really don't need a venti. I should have got a grande, but I got a venti and I just get a regular latte and I add sugar-free vanilla to it. Just letting that cool off a little bit. I'm pretty hungry. I haven't eaten anything yet today, so I'm starving. I usually try to do homework while I'm waiting in line for Harper, but I only have 2 assignments left that are due. I'll probably do the book quiz tonight, and then the other assignment I'm gonna figure out probably tomorrow. I've never done it before, so I just like need more time to figure that out than just sitting in here. And then also they're both like quizzes, and so I'm afraid my hotspot will mess up or something and then I get a bad grade on it, so I'm not gonna risk it. So I'm just gonna chill here, probably watch my show on my computer if we're being honest, and do a word search because that's me. Okay, I just picked up Harper. So, oh, okay. Why'd you throw off your crown? Tell the camera. Tell us about it. Tell the vlog.
So this is a clown, and it was Beaver Day.
Groundhog Day.
Yo, I forgot. I keep forgetting the name.
But what happened when the groundhog came up?
He didn't see his shadow.
So what does that mean? What'd you tell me?
We summit and we're gonna go on family vacation soon. Ooh, no more.
I just picked her up and we ran to the gas station. She got a snack. We have, what are these?
Mustache too.
Okay, what else did you get?
Pringles.
Pringles. Oh, you know the name?
And Air Pops.
Airheads?
Oh, Airheads.
Yep. And now we're at my church. We're gonna hang out here for just like 2 hours, and then we will head back to my house so I can let Maisie out and everything before we go on to our evening activities. But yeah. See you later. I just dropped Harper off at my grandmother's, and then now I'm headed back to the house. Gotta let Maisie out, and then I'm so annoyed because the load of laundry that I had started hadn't finished by the time I left. So it's definitely finished now, of course, but hopefully it doesn't like stink or anything. I had a package delivered, but I saw it before I was leaving, and so I couldn't go get it because I was already like in the car and I was like rushing, obviously. So luckily it's still there. And this is my Nordstrom rack order. I only ordered 2 things though, so I don't know why this box is giant. Oh my god, literally look at this. This giant box for these 2 things. Okay, I'm kind of pissed off right now because this is not what I thought I ordered. The picture had them khaki, okay? These are green. Does this look like khaki to you? No, these are green. But it is, I remember like seeing the color name and it said basil. And these say they're basil, which makes sense, you know, green. I wasn't thinking anything. But the picture is 1000% khaki. And these are green. But this I'm hella excited for because it's a Death Row Records sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, look at that. It says on the back. I think it's cute. And I thought it would also be cute with the freaking khaki pants, but apparently not. I'll probably still try these on just to see if I like the way they like look or anything, but I think I'm gonna return them just because I'm never gonna wear them. I did check on the towels and they kind of smell a little bit. So I'm just gonna wait and rewash them when I get back home because I don't want to start it again right now and then leave again and risk not being able to switch it before I leave. I think I am gonna go ahead and eat because I just got a little bit hungry now that I'm home. And I know exactly what I'm gonna make. So what it is, I'm cutting up a hamburger patty right now, and I just cut up like all the ingredients I put on a hamburger except for the bread and put it in a bowl, and it's delicious. Here she is. Not the most appetizing thing you've ever seen, but it's really good. So I'll eat about half of that, and I'll probably eat the rest tomorrow. And then I'll have a couple of these legendary popped protein chips. These are pretty good. Hello, you guys. I am home now. It is about 9:30. That took a while. Longer than I thought, but like not bad. And it was really good. I had a great time, but I think it was because me and Candace didn't have floor seats. Dad and Tanner were on like the chairs that were on the floor, and then me and Candace were on like the little bleachers that were on the floor. So it made it a lot more entertaining because I could actually see. Because I think last time I was there, which is a couple years ago, I was like up top, and then I was just like I wasn't really interested. I was just looking at people. But this time it was really fun. I enjoyed it. I did start the towels back up in the laundry. So hopefully those can go for a while and then I can switch them before I go to bed. I kind of just like want to sit down here and like watch my show in the living room with like the freedom of like no interruptions. That sounds really nice. I forgot to show you guys earlier, but I also reorganized these. It doesn't like look super organized, but like all of these would like not fit down here. So I moved these cups up there. I got rid of 2 cups and then I moved those 2 over there, which that's not cute. But now like this cabinet actually shuts all the way and it makes me very happy. I just thought I'd share since I didn't share earlier. Once I sit down on the couch, I know I'm not gonna wanna get up, and when I get up, it will only be to enter my bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower now before I even think about like sitting down. All right, you guys, I'm about to go to bed now. I didn't end up sitting on the couch or anything because it was just like too late and I knew I was gonna wanna go to bed as soon as I sat down. So I didn't do that, but instead I did take a quiz that I needed to take. And then I made the thumbnail for this vlog. I actually got half the video edited while I was up at the church. And so tomorrow, now all I have to do is edit the rest of the half and do all the things that I need to do to like upload it. But it's a lot less work. So hopefully I can get that this vlog uploaded tomorrow. I also remember to switch the towels to the dryer so I don't have any stinky towels to deal with. But now we have reached the point in the evening where I get scared with the fact that I'm alone. Like I'm enjoying it all throughout the day, and then at nighttime I'm just like a little scaredy cat. You have literally got to be kidding me. An earthquake just happened, I guess. It wasn't like super big or anything, but it like lasted a long time. And that was so weird. And now I'm even more freaked out. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm gonna go to bed and just try to not think about anything and hope that works. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you guys in the next one. Good night.